Welcome back to Savvy Serena. As you can see today, I'm doing a junk drawer organization. This junk drawer had gotten really out of hand. We were throwing everything in it, and I need to bring some kind of organization to it. So that's what my attempt is today. Okay, today is the next day, and I kind of revamped the drawer again. I didn't like the way it was going before, so I ended up, well, this one still has scissors. This is basically my basket. It's got my phone cover, a charger, some antibacterial stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, and some lotion while I'm downstairs. This is my husband. Every time he comes in, he has little tools and stuff that, or he does a project, so that way I can just throw them in here. It's a mishmash of stuff, but he knows what the stuff goes for, and so it's there. I put all my sunglasses in a basket, and those are a pair of reading glasses if I need them. I ended up putting the flashlights in this one. This was an extra one that I had upstairs, but the flashlights would work better in it. I put pens, markers, and things like that in here. So we'll have them, because people write their names on the drinks. And I've even got that's an eyeglass screwdriver. That should go in with the sunglasses, so we know where it's at. But anyways, that's for pens, pencils, whatever, when I'm labeling or we need to write something. I'm always looking for, instead of going all the way upstairs, looking for hair ties and stuff like that. So that's what's in here. I get hot and I get to cleaning, and I want something to, maybe I ought to put my Blistex over here. And then this one, a bunch of our plugs are just 2-prong plugs like this, and we have a lot of devices with like 3 prongs on it, so we're having to adapt. We have to have a bunch of these adapters, because some of the plugs will only take the 2-prong plugs. So I just put these where it was easy to access, because we're always having to pull those for one reason or another. I put some light bulbs, and super glue should really be in with Ed's little basket, so he knows where it's at. And then I had some other stuff in here, and I didn't like the way that was going. I decided for now I'm going to put just little pads of paper in case we need to work. This is a pad of paper. Just in case I need to write something, I can do that. And then scissors over here. I've got this little sour cream cup. I did have this in here, and every time we would have change, my husband was throwing it in it. I don't know if I'm going to use that, or I have these little containers right here that would work just to hold the change in. Which I could use that. I don't know. That way he could just, sometimes he throws it on the counter and I was putting it in that little white cup, but I don't know. But anyways, I like this a whole lot better. I just switched it around a little bit and figured I'd let you know. Sometimes you can work with something for like a day and then you're like, this isn't working. And so I think this looks a whole lot better. And I don't know if I'm going to keep that there or not, but this looks a whole lot better, I think. It's a little bit more functional. My husband opened up the drawer and he's like, oh, I love the sunglasses being there. Oh, you can see what's in here a whole lot better. I'm like, yeah, that was kind of the point. So, and maybe this will be, I don't know, but it's a work in progress. Sometimes you'll look at something and go a day and go, okay, this isn't working. And sometimes you have to revamp it. But I'm all about real life organizing, and this is no Pinterest. I mean, that's a different color. I couldn't find all white. I had to mix mosh. And to me, it doesn't matter as long as it's functional. And this is functional. It may not look pretty, and it may not look like Pinterest, but at least it's functional. So, if you organize like this, give me a thumbs up so I know I'm not completely alone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And y'all come back now. You hear?